Welcome to the Dave It Yourself channel, the home of unique RC creations and unique RC views. Dave It Yourself, stick around. Hey friends, it's Dave with Creative Drones on the Dave It Yourself channel. Coming back to here from my big parking lot area. I like to do some flying and carring in, bringing out the Habu. Bringing it out with the little missile setups and stuff I got on there. Also going to throw the flying around a little bit. We're going to throw the Insta360 Go up in the cockpit like I showed you during my live stream. And I'm going to be putting in E-flite 4S 3200 milliamp. So we're going to go ahead and see how that works. So if you want to see how this bad boy flies, starting to get a little breeze, probably around 8 to 10, something like that. You see the clouds moving up there, so it's a little heavier up there. Want to see exactly how this works out. If I can land this bad boy in one piece, you know what I recommend you do? You stick around. Wind's kind of coming to my face, so get a little zoom in on that drive-by there.
Think so?
Yeah, I think he's bouncing a little bit too much on that front guy, so maybe he could be a little heavier. See, I just kind of just bounce it. Fix that. Let's see what we can do here.
No wind right now.
Yeah, no wind.
So go fast.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Problem is though that my battery thing's blinking as if this battery isn't very good, but I just charged this bitch. So let's just, now I got wind coming in our face. Alright, I'm gonna probably try to bring him down for a landing.
Nice and slow.
So we got wind in our face now. Oh, easy glider.
Nice.
Hey. Ah, dang it, that's, goodness gracious. That was, I had it in front of me, it was just so normal. Yeah, it's like it's, yeah, that was weird. All right. Again, I think it still might be just a little, well, let's make sure it didn't slide back, I guess. No, we're good. All right, well, I just want to do a quick up and down ski with this bad boy. See how she looks.
Flying all right overall?
Seems like it. Of course, we'll see how this turns out. All right. All right, you got some filming going? Let's see if we can get this big boy up for a quick up and down and maybe get a better damn landing. Jeez Louise, that was horrible. All right. Alrighty, zoopity, 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 zoop, zoop, zoop. Here we go. Oh, he's skipping around like he's on a. Oh, he's hitting that wind now.
Oh goodness, he just lost him.
Yeah, he's up there. I'm gonna kill some throttle, just let him do some gliding. Sorry about the sun.
Yeah, it's actually not bad. It looks kind of cool.
Still gliding. Trees right there I want to avoid. Alright, so bring it back down one more time.
Little
We're going to go a
flyby.
long ways down to the runway there, since the wind's coming at our backs. And we're going to land him coming at us. So hopefully better. That's it. That's the battery alarm.
Well, good to know. There you go. Oh yeah.
Okay, that works, folks. Nice. Well, that was better when I had the camera in, that's for sure.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Habu, you did pretty good with your little missiles on there and stuff. So that's sweet. All right, friends. Well, you know what I like to say when something like that occurs, we've got a nice landing after that, and have the Insta360 go in there. I like to say, nice. Hey friends, Dave here at Creative Drones on the Dave It Yourself channel. Coming back to you here from my favorite little parking area that's over here. Hey friends, Dave, Creative Drones.